Here's something no one wants to hear. Researchers say they've identified 7 more coronavirus variants.
Those variants seem to be concentrated in south central and southwestern parts of the United States. Good day's Mark Teichner tells you what the researchers found. He's live from CDC headquarters. Mark, this is very disturbing news. Good morning to you.
Yeah, it certainly is. At this point, this is preliminary investigation that they have done, and they are calling for other researchers, and you can imagine the folks here at the CDC included, to take a look at this new family of variants. The 7 variants are all related to each other. Researchers identified them as Q677P. They think the original Q677P variant then evolved into at least 6 more forms. Cases have been found all over the country, but the variants seem to be concentrated in south central and southwestern parts of the United States. The study's non-peer-reviewed posting specifically mentioned Louisiana and New Mexico, where by the middle of January, the new variants had been found in 27.8 and 11.3% of the tests that were sequenced for genomic differences. Last week, while talking to us about the spread of the UK variant here in Georgia, the state epidemiologist explained how genomic sequencing works.
The goal of the surveillance is not to find every single case of variant, but it's to monitor trends.
Which is why only a tiny percentage of coronavirus tests go through genomic sequencing. That means we've likely found only a portion of the COVID-19 variant cases, including the Q677P ones.
It takes almost a whole week to do the genomic sequencing.
Researchers are concerned about the Q677P variants because they show the virus keeps evolving to give it a better chance of spreading, which is why now is not the time to let down our guard.
If we keep the numbers down, they change less frequently, and that serves us all very well.
And here's why. If it keeps mutating and evolving, experts say it is possible that the virus could find itself into a form or a variant that is resistant to both the vaccine or possibly some of our treatment methods. And obviously, that's the last thing any of us want. Reporting live from CDC headquarters, I'm Mark Teichner for Good Day Atlanta.
All right, Mark, thank you.